Hey friends, welcome to Waikiki on the island of Oahu. It's a beautiful day here and we have an excellent view of the east end of Waikiki and Diamond Head. You have beautiful Diamond Head going all the way up to Kaimuki, and over this way here, if you squint, you can see surfers out in the water. It's been a beautiful couple days here in Waikiki. The weather's been absolutely fantastic. It's just been splendid being here on the island. One of the things I like best about Waikiki, and the whole island as a matter of fact, is the wonderful food that they have here. One of the things that you'll find while you're enjoying meals here in Waikiki, if you get a lunch plate of almost anything, it's going to come with a side of mac salad. Now this mac salad is amazing. It has these nice, large, tender noodles, elbow macaroni, and a creamy mayonnaise-based dressing, and very few ingredients. The star of the mac salad is actually the dressing that goes on it. So today we're going to be making Hawaiian mac salad. Hopefully it'll be a traditional version. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. But this recipe is simple. This thing boils down to mayonnaise, a few seasonings, some carrots, some onions, and a whole lot of flavor. To get things going, we're going to cook some macaroni here. We're using large elbow macaroni. Make sure you use a good brand. Also, you want elbow macaroni. The classic Hawaiian mac salad is definitely made with elbow macaroni. You won't find it with other types of macaroni. So make sure you get a good quality elbow macaroni for your recipe. We're going to season our water, generous amount of salt, and this is 1 pound of macaroni. Give that a stir. Bring it back up to boil and make sure you stir it because you don't want the macaroni to stick together. Now for the Hawaiian mac salad, you want to overcook it just a bit. You want these things nice, big, and plump. You don't want these al dente. One of the reasons I believe that is if you leave it al dente and then you mix it in with the mayonnaise dressing, the pasta will pull moisture from the dressing and make your mac salad dry rather than creamy. But we want a nice, creamy Hawaiian mac salad. So we're gonna cook it a little past al dente, maybe a minute or two, and make sure those pasta noodles are nice and plump and fully cooked. There we have our pasta fully cooked. I cooked this a few extra minutes, past what the box says to make sure it's nice and tender. Drain this off. We wanna stop the cooking process, so give it a nice cool rinse. Look at that, that's not elbow macaroni. I should sue. Okay, that's cooled down nicely. Give it a good shake, get those noodles to drain. The elbow macaroni will hold water in those corners. Now that we have our pasta cooked, let's get the other ingredients ready. First up, we have some green onions, as some people like to call them, scallions. Next up, we have a carrot. We're gonna need about a half a cup of carrot, grated on the large holes of a box grater. We're gonna go with a little bit more. 1 carrot should do. Those are our basic ingredients for the Hawaiian mac salad. So now that we have all the basic ingredients ready, we have the elbow macaroni ready, we have the grated carrots, and we have some green onions, or scallions as some people call them. We'll let the fire truck go by. One of the drawbacks of being in a big city. Next up, we're gonna get our dressing going. First up, we're gonna need some grated onion. Yeah, about that much. Now to this here, we're gonna add about 2 cups of mayonnaise. Like I said, this is really creamy. Also, make sure you use Best Foods or Hellman's. No substitutes on that. About 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. About 1/4 cup of milk. Some sugar, some granulated garlic, a little bit of MSG, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. Give that a good mix. Next, we're gonna add our pasta, our carrots, and half of our green onions. Give that a good mix. There you have your Hawaiian mac all put together. Give it a taste. Check for seasoning. Yeah, I use the same spoon. I'm the one gonna be eating this. That is good. What we're gonna do next is cover this, put it in the fridge, allow it to rest for about an hour. Overnight would be better. When it comes out of the fridge, if it's too tight, add a little bit of milk, loosen it up a little bit, and you'll have yourself some authentic Hawaiian mac salad. All right, folks, there you have it. One homemade Hawaiian mac salad. This has been chilling in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. It did tighten up a little bit, so what I did is I added a little bit more mayonnaise and a little bit of milk, and that kind of loosened things up. It's nice and creamy, nice and sticky, nice and tender. Let's give this thing a try. Oh yeah, this is good. It's very close to what you get when you get a Hawaiian plate lunch here in Waikiki. It's delicious. Nice and creamy, silky, savory, rich. That hits the spot. Definitely give this a try. So there you have it, folks. Wonderful recipe of, hopefully, an authentic Hawaiian mac salad. Super creamy, super delicious, nice and flavorful. Perfect side dish for almost anything. If you're still watching the video, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate having you here today. If you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below. And if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you subscribe. If you'd like the recipe is going to be down in the comments below. Take a look, give it a try. Also, if you like what I'm doing here, make sure you become a Patreon member. My Patreon link is down below. Help stock the Cheeseburger Guru kitchen. Really appreciate your help. So from Waikiki on the beautiful island of Oahu, aloha.